Hi there, just another wee how-to video in case anyone finds it quite useful. Done one on my last video on a Lexus sunroof and that went down quite well, so any problems I pick up and find I'll try and post to help people. So, excuse me, today I have just recently purchased a Renault Clio 197, so Renault Sport. It is a 2008 plate, so it's the Mark III Clio, and I think a common problem from our way look is that the windows have a wee intermittent fault, which I'm going to show you today. Mine has got that. I just purchased it today and it has that fault, so I thought I'd film it and try and fix it. Fingers crossed it works, but it should do. So the problem I'm having is you've got both the switches here. Mine is on the passenger side that I'm having this problem. So when you use this passenger switch, or when you use the switch that's on the door to put the passenger side window down, you'll see as it do it, I'm pressing the switch down and it's just going down a wee bit and then stopping. That's not my finger coming off the switch, that my finger's still on the switch at the moment and it's still doing that. The window does go down, but it's just a wee bit of a pain that you have to keep doing that to get it to go down. So I believe it's something to do, don't quote me on this one, but I believe it's something to do with like anti-trap or something, so that your hands wouldn't get trapped in it or anything would get trapped in it if it was stuck in there. So to fix it, what we do, I'm going to start from the beginning here, so my hands are off the switches and whatnot. We press the switch down and keep it going down all the way to the bottom. Keep going, bear with it, so you might need to keep tapping it till you get it all the way to the bottom. So that's it all the way down. Release your finger off the switch, so fingers off the switch, and then start to put the window all the way back up. Same again, you'll have to go on and off the switch to get it all the way back up, and we keep going all the way back up again. That's what we do until it's right at the top. Make sure you're right at the top. You can press and hold it a wee bit there, and then last part of this is it's right at the top. You press and hold for 5 seconds, or not even that in my case. It didn't even take 5 seconds, it's went down straight away itself. I'm still pressing and holding the button for a couple of seconds there just to make sure, and let's see if we press it quickly as a one touch, or maybe one touch will work as well on it. Up we go, window goes up fine, no problem, and that is the solution. So we'll press it again, I'll press it again to try and get it to go down. There it goes, down itself, so not stuttering or anything anymore. And once again, I'll show you over this side as well. We'll press it and up she goes, nice and easy. Just to be thorough, we'll maybe check it this side as well. Yep, down she goes and up she goes, no problem at all. Okay, no worries, just thought I would update you with that one. This should work on all Mark III Clios, not just the Renault Sport one that I've got here. It should work on all of them, and I think, again, it should work on both passenger and driver's windows. Potentially back windows if you have the 5-door version as well. All Mark III Clios. Hopefully that was helpful. Any other problems or things I come across, I'll try and update regularly. Thanks again, cheers.